ongoing thing.
My name is S.Pd. I will review favorite motorcycle. Before I review this motorcycle, I will explain the history of motorcycle. Okay, I have a favorite motorcycle. My father bought it for me when I was in high school. This is the only my motorcycle that I have right now. But even if one day I buy another one, this one will always be my favorite because there are so many things happen with me and this motorcycle. For me, it is irreplaceable. If you are familiar with various types of motorcycle, then I believe you can imagine what my motorcycle looks like. Okay everyone, this is my motorcycle. Domination color is my motorcycle is silver. Icon to my motorcycle is Bumo. Condition is still full original and full paper and normal and never broke down. For my journey to Majalengka for Bandung. Okay everyone, thank you for watching review my motorcycle. My name is Elian. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.